GM Absters, a quick video on Myriad, the betting app on Abstract. From your Abstract portal, discover Myriad. Predict, earn, repeat. With Myriad, you can predict on anything from the Super Bowl to presidential outcomes to meme coin market caps. Pop in the website, connect your wallet if you're not connected already. There's a daily streak. Some bets are in points, some are in US dollars. Up here are my US dollar wallet amount and the number of points I've collected. So I'm going to claim my streak, 3,500. Just check my profile. I've got 7,000 points in limbo, which I can save to my wallet. Save to wallet. And I can fund my wallet with US dollars. There's also an account set up, various steps here. So if we have a quick look at markets, you can see there are markets on culture, politics, sports, economy, meme coins, and a special category on MOG. I don't know if they have some sort of collaboration with the MOG token. Crypto, gaming, and also you can bet on the roach racing. I think compared to some of the gambling sites in Abstract, this one actually offers quite decent odds. The odds are organic, so it just depends on who is voting for who, depending on the rates you get. So here, and if you know anything about the things you're guessing on, e.g. crypto or sports, then I find some of them, the bets are actually skewed in your favour. Some of them are relatively easy to guess. Here's one, for example. Who's going to win the Europa League title, Tottenham or Man United? So far, 44% are going for Tottenham, 56% for Man United. I'll click on this one. It's a US dollar bet. If I go for, I'm going to buy Tottenham to win, we'll just put down $1, which is the minimum bet. Buy Tottenham. There's a fee. I get a certain number of shares in this bet. Maximum profit is $1.19. Man United are the favourites, so if Tottenham win, I will be getting $2.16 back. I'm going to confirm the trade. And I'm buying 2.19 shares in this bet on Tottenham winning. Now, I actually think that's a pretty good deal, isn't it? If it's basically a two-way bet, Tottenham are slightly under favoured, and for my $1 bet, I can potentially win. I can get $2.19 back. I think that is much better odds than you would get at any traditional betting shop, for example, where they would probably include the possibility of a draw, thereby making it a three-way bet. And it looks like the Myriad are just taking a 3% fee. I'm also going to show you there's an earn tab here, and this is a way to earn extra points by reading decrypt articles. So you can read all these, you get 100 points for reading the article, and then you get 500 points for getting a quiz correct, which is normally 3 or 4 questions. And you get several goes at getting them correct. So let's pick one we want to read. How about this one on Coinbase, engage to earn. Coinbase says it's working with DOJ to investigate hack of customer data. Oh, I forgot one other thing. They do ask you to download their extension, and I think I've got a feeling to claim on this tab you need to go through the extension. So I'm just going to open that up, log in, which should be automatic. Go through visit dashboard, I get back to the same place. So earn, where was it? There it is. Engage to earn, interact. So I'm simply going to read this article. You'll see there is a progress bar that pops up on the left here. Get to the bottom of the article. The read bar is complete. I'm going to collect my reward. It says, asks you to log into the extension if you haven't done it already. I'm going to pop back to the previous page. I've now gained 100 points for reading the article. I can now take the quiz. What did the attackers demand in exchange for stolen customer data from Coinbase? What action did Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong take in response to the hack? See, the questions are fairly easy. When did Coinbase go public and what is its ticker symbol on NASDAQ? I pass and I've earned 400 points, which will have been added to my points total here. Just going to revisit my profile briefly to show you how you can claim winnings on previous bets. So this one here, Bitcoin price to be above 104,000 on May the 18th. The outcome was yes. I bet $2. I'm getting back $4.63. My profit was 2.63, 131%. Now, as I said for the football bet, this is a two-way bet. Bitcoin is enjoying a bull market at the moment, so I think that was quite an easy win. I'm going to claim that, and you'll see 463 is back in my wallet. Okay, many thanks for watching, and GN.